No, tornado, tornado. Oh my gosh.
At 1:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mecklenburg, or 8 miles west of Ithaca, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar.
$50 sized hail.
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs.
I'll edit this video when the EF reading gets submitted.
This dangerous storm will be near Ithaca, Newfield, and Enfield around 1:50 p.m. Danby around 2 p.m. South Danby around 2:05 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,